What's up everyone, Jake here, and today back with some more model unboxings and reviews. This time we have two Aviation 400 models. We have an Air China A350 and the United 777-300ER in the new Evo Blue livery. Super excited to have these two models, so let's get right on into it. We'll start with the Air China and then we'll move to United afterwards. So standard, well, I wouldn't say standard Aviation 400 box, bit of a plain one just with the Air China, no picture of the aircraft, but they have the picture of the aircraft here on the side, and then on the bottom there and on the back it's just a very plain box. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. I believe this is registration. Yeah, so they made two of these. They made like two of the exact same plain livery, but just different regs. So they had Bravo-1081 and 82, and then this is 82, I believe. Let's go ahead here, open it up. It does come with the little stand in there. So I'm not actually sure when these models were released. You know how it is with Aviation 400, they kind of they put out the models, you pre-order them, and it takes forever to actually get the models. But here it is inside the packaging. Super excited to have this. Let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, it is taped. I forgot about that. I forgot they do that. I should have known. Alright, here we go. Get this side open. There we go. Alright. Take this off here. Just kind of fold it back because I didn't feel like taking the tape off the other side. So there we go. Anyway, all right. I won't bother showing you the stand as it's nothing fancy at all. A little bit of scuff there on it. A little bit of dirt. Oh no. There is a little bit of a scuff on this one actually. This is the first Aviation 400 model out of quite a few that I have now actually that has come with a little bit of damage. Not like major damages and missing pieces or broken pieces, just a little bit of scuff or a little scuff mark right there on the top. But that's okay. Alright, so here we have the model, looking absolutely beautiful. One thing I gotta say, you know, with Aviation 400, out of all the manufacturers, their molds are incredible. The detail is unreal. You know, even with this little tiny smudge or whatever you'd say on it, it doesn't even matter. This aircraft is already just looking incredible, and I can totally overlook that when it comes to Aviation 400 because first off, their quality control is usually really good. I haven't had any broken ones or anything in the past. Their molds, their details, everything is superior to like Gemini jets, etc. So, you know, with this one little paint smudge up there, it's no big deal. But let's go ahead and take a look. So we'll zoom on in here. Starting at the nose, you got the cockpit with the great shape and everything of this mold. Some great detail there. The sort of bandit look. We're looking really nice. All the great little details around the nose there. Nose gear looking good. Star Alliance logo, and then you have the Chinese flag right there. Air China, got the beacon and the antennas on the top and the bottom. L1 and L2 door. Just kind of moving along. Have some Chinese, which I assume reads Air China. Got the engine, looking really nice. Turn it. It is not hollow. Oh, these are hollow. That's right. There you go. Looking really nice. Good detail on that. I'm just going to show you a little inside of the wingtips there. You got the little Air China logo right there. which I think is really nice. And you have it on the outside here too, if it'll focus. Oh, it almost did. Oh, it's not. It's not going to focus, but you can kind of tell. Yeah, my bad on that, but you can tell that it does have it there, which is really nice. Moving along, you have some good little details on the top there, the antennas, the little boxes, and then the main Wi-Fi. Unlocks the back. Got the L3 door there, and you got the registration and a little baggage door right there at the back, which says A350-900. Bravo 1082, a little 4-door there. And then the tail with the Air China logo. And then kind of turn it around here. Same thing on this side. It's got the actual cargo doors, forward and aft. And yeah, very, very nice model. Take a look at the underbelly. It has the little Aviation 400 logo right there. Got the beacon registration there on the wing and Air China on this side. So very, very nice. Lots of great little details, the antennas, everything, etc. all there. Looking really, really nice. Cannot complain about that. As I say, that little scuff mark on the front right here, no big deal. I can overlook that. Incredible model. Super happy to have this. We'll go ahead and move this out the way, and we'll grab that United that I'm super excited about as well. So here we have the United 777-300ER, registration November 2551 uniform. I believe this is the exact same one that Gemini Jets made, and I have this already from Gemini Jets, I believe. Yeah, from Gemini Jets. But I decided to pick up the Aviation 400 version because one, the mold is superior, two, the detail is going to be there with the beacons and everything. So really excited to have this. Different box that actually show the United aircraft on it. Got United, and then the back just absolutely plain. So this too, I assume, will come with a mold, or sorry, not a mold, a stand. Yep, there's a little stand on the side. Just like I expected. This one is not taped actually, so we'll go ahead and just open it up here. Probably do the same thing I did with the other, just fold it open. So it is taped on that side, there we go. Alrighty. Take this off, the plastic off for a second. We'll pull them all out. Absolutely incredible. Alrighty. Put that back. Boom. We'll bring her into the shot. Alrighty. Wow. Just looking at this. Absolutely magnificent. No issues on this one. Looking really, really nice. Color looks good. Everything looks fantastic on this. So let's go ahead and get some close up here. So there we have the nose. Great shape and everything there with the cockpit windows. Got a little Star Alliance logo. I'm not sure what that reads actually right there. You have looks like 2151 there on the gear door. L1 door moving along. Got that beacon on the top there. Really, really nice. Wi-Fi antenna. Or Wi-Fi box, should I say, L2 door, lots of little, lots of great little detail all around right here, right there. Got the antennas, as I say, United titles. Got the good old G90s right here, looking really, really nice. They are hollow. It is hollow, which it'll be interesting to see Gemini Jets, or sorry, not Gemini Jets, NG's version with their solid state engines, not hollow like that. So I'll be curious to see how that looks when I do get one of their models. But yeah, so then we have the overwing exit door there with the markings on the wing, looking really, really nice. on both sides. Got the wings looking fantastic, no flex, nothing, looking really good. And here you have the other doors, 4 and 5, with registration there and the little American flag. Got that nice little antenna at the bottom that's striped, very, very nice, like highly detailed. You know, the fact it's just a little red and white stripes on it, really, really nice. You have that continental globe now in the Evo blue here on the tail, looking really nice. Got that APU section right back here, great detail there because it's actually got that little sort of like hole marked out and everything. Really, really, really nice. I think they did a good job. Also this here looking very real accurate where it doesn't touch. It's not solid. You know, incredible job. There could be a little bit more details on the sort of like the actual tail itself in terms of like the little ridges and creases and stuff, but you know what, it doesn't have to be perfect, and honestly this mold is pretty damn good for what it is compared to others. So there's a head-on view. This side, not a whole lot different. We just got the doors, cargo doors, more good detail and everything. Get the engines, and here we have the other cargo door, the aft cargo door, and the little bulk bin door right there. So very, very nice. We'll go ahead and take a look at the underbelly. Plain and simple, nothing to really show here, but very, very nice. No Aviation 400 like little logo, which I think is interesting considering Air China had it. But yeah, so there we have it, guys. That's the two Aviation 400 models. Spectacular models. Highly recommend them if you can get them. You know, sure, the Gemini Just version of this United is great, but I had to just pick up another one of the Aviation 400 because this is just superior when it comes to the detail with, you know, the little beacon on the top and the bottom, and then that little striped antenna. It's just, they go the extra mile when it comes to this sort of stuff, adding every little bit and piece that they can. All the details on the actual aircraft itself in terms of the decals and whatnot that have been put on the paint is all fantastic. Air China is another fantastic one. You know, their A350 mold is really, really good. Again, there's that little paint smudge, chip, whatever you want to call it. No big deal. I can overlook it. It's not like super noticeable. So yeah. But anyway, guys, that's going to do it for this video. Stay tuned every Monday for more model unboxings and reviews. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Stay tuned for more. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.